I see this one all the time with my coworkers. Beginners don't use shortcut keys. So, what are the shortcuts in Google Sheets? Shortcut keys are essential for quick navigation and task execution. Basic editing tasks like copy, cut, paste values, undo, and redo are also much faster with shortcuts. Formatting shortcuts like Control-B for bold, Control-I for italic, and Control-U for underline, and alignment shortcuts Control+Shift-L, E, and R streamline the process of making your data presentable. Let's try some of these right now. If I Control-C and Control-V, I can copy and paste. If I Control-X and Control-V, I can cut and paste. Undo, Control-Z will remove and return the cut. If I undo again, it will remove the copy of Control-C. Control-Y will redo and put them back. If I want to bold, I can Control-B. If I want to do italics, I can Control-I. And if I want to underline, I can Control-U. Now, with the left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment, I can do Control-Shift-E to center, Control-Shift-R to move to the right, or I could Control-Shift-L to align to the left. By integrating these shortcuts into your daily use today and regularly practicing them, you can transition from a beginner to a proficient user, significantly improving your efficiency in Google Sheets. To learn more about Google Sheets, watch this video next.